Wondering if that sweet Visa gift card you just unwrapped can unlock your next Temu haul? Absolutely. And here's exactly how to make it happen. First things first, head over to Temu, just like you normally would, and fill your cart with all the goodies that catch your eye. Once you're ready to check out, proceed to the payment page. Look for the Add Payment Method or Credit Debit Card option. This is where your Visa gift card comes into play. You'll need to enter the 16-digit card number, usually found on the front of the card. Next, you'll enter the expiration date, typically a 2-digit month and a 4-digit year. Then, find and carefully enter the CVV or security code, which is usually a 3-digit number on the back of the card. And don't forget the billing address. This is important for Visa gift cards. You'll often need to register an address with the card issuer if you haven't already. Many gift cards allow you to set up a zip code online or by phone. Make sure this matches the billing address you enter on Temu. Crucially, before you hit that final place order button, double-check that your gift card has a sufficient balance to cover the entire purchase. If your gift card balance is less than the total cost, Temu might prompt you to add another payment method to cover the difference. You can usually check your gift card balance by visiting the card issuer's website or calling the number on the back. Once your payment is processed, you'll see an order confirmation. Congratulations! You've successfully used your Visa gift card on Temu. So go ahead, treat yourself, and happy shopping with your Visa gift card on Temu.